Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja, Wazobia TV Channel 98 on top of GoTV Cable nationwide, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live for those who watch us for internet anywhere for inside Obodo the world. Welcome to that Ogbonge Politics discussion show. As it is hot, we tell you us every weekday from 10 to 11. Don't turn Christmas, sake of say, all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them, talk them the way anything be, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them the way anything be for body, so that those who they lead us go hear word, do the necessary thing and move our country forward. My name is Ezo Gochokwode. And as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabi well I stay concerned the politics matter as it is hot.
Yes, a beautiful Tuesday morning to our wonderful viewers where they watch us right now. Don't carry that same Ogbonga program come on our way as it is hot where they informate the sunshine with different information we do it where they happen for Bodo Nigeria because as I always talk now us, you and us, now if we collectively do it, address the matter of this country, at least present it to government, make them know the right direction where they will take. We go open our phone line so that at least once we start up the matter, because now still a continuation of the post-democracy day we will celebrate them on that is on Sunday. We still talk about the matter. They look at the government of Oga Buhari, how far we don't fair, how far the government don't work. Now we to go look at. I'll come get one of Bunga guests, one madam. That is this one according to us the way people they talk up. That is we cannot even go any further to talk and this thing. We go open our phone line so that when that time reach now, we do it now, we contribute now own quarter to the matter. My name never change. My name now Unkubi, and this now ask if they hot.
Our Ogbonge visit on a person when we say any issue when get to do with Nigeria, Nigerian women, Nigerian children, anything about Nigeria, the matter they always they touch her. She they tie gele on top of the matter because of say the thing they always they pinch her for body if it no good so that we go do them well, make the thing for better. And the reason why we carry her come today to come discuss this topic now because of say the way man they see something as force, push. Woman go see them as soft. Take them easy, jeje, wayo, make we get the result. And they talk of no other than Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba. I suppose to call the name in full. Mommy, good morning and welcome to As It Is Hot.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
As this way you combine your blue color, just they shine like sky.
Thank you.
You're welcome to As It Is Hot.
Thank
you know that our normal tradition when we say we go shake hand before we start, make it not be like say we dey corner when the thing starts.
Mother where they be at least.
Okay, make we just drop the topic when we carry come. Like Unkubi talk on the 29th of May 2016, this Sunday went past, we celebrate Democracy Day. If we do plus or minus, since we don't start the celebration from 1999, go reach 2016, we go see, say, we don't grow well. If we talk about, say, democracy, when they're very, very consistent. And this one can't be special because we don't see new government inside power. PDP ruled this country from 1999 to 2015. Now we don't get APC. When look the 16 years of PDP talks, say, like say, K-leg enter the matter, but they won't do the arrangements, make we do well. We won't assess this 1 year, but like we won't look at from the angle of the Nigerian woman and how they take see this particular government. Before we begin to drop all these questions and the discussion as it is hot, we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. No go anywhere. In case your friends, your family, your neighbors, they never come, tell them say, as it is hot, don't begin it hot. We they come back. No go anywhere. Welcome back to As It Is Hot. Ezugu Chukwudi Unkubi and our Ogbonge visitor. I must call her name in full. Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba dey inside studio. I will discuss the first 365 days of President Muhammadu Buhari based on our Democracy Day celebration from the eye where Nigerian woman takes here. Make we just drop this discussion quick, make we no waste time. They talk say the way when we say man they see things or they do things they different from woman. They say woman they very, very soft. Woman heart, even though for outside she feels squeeze face, but inside her heart, the thing they melt quick, even faster than ice cream. Now, make we look the first 365 days of President Muhammadu Buhari, all the promises when we say the government promise, the expectations of Nigerians, the thing we don't see for this past 1 year. If you want assess am as a woman, as a mother, waiting, you go describe this particular 1 year as. The thing reach you to
First, self, I will just thank God, say, we dey as we dey for now.
Thank you.
Because the 1 year, it dey tough. But I go give our president a very big plus.
Big plus.
Yes, because the job wey dey for im head no be small. Na big job wey oyibo man go say na real Herculean task wey e get for im hand.
True.
As we take enter this new kini. But you know, e dey difficult to explain when person dey for pain, say make e dey patient. But I go still beg our people, make we dey patient small for our president, for the government, because I dey happy say we vote for the government wey dey there now. If not, we for no get the kind story sef wey we dey talk today. I go start first from our former president, wey hand over the government. I give am gbosa because he allow peace to reign. You dey talk say women we dey gentle as we dey take, but we dey get the job done. We dey take all. My mama go say refuse wey no take plenty rubbish, e no go grow. So na for the better of the land. And so if you assess for the three major campaign agenda wey we take talk, na security, economy, and the other one
Anti-corruption.
Anti-corruption.
Yeah.
But e be like say for this
that
three,
anti-corruption.
you don dey talk to
give us-
uncle corruption. Because
You know, even the president talk, he say as we dey fight this corruption,
It is dey
you
fight
go
back.
bear with us because corruption go fight back.
Okay.
But if we no fight am, corruption fit kill the country. So you dey between rock and wall. Which one you go face? You go quickly face the one where you say you no wan make e finish the country. Because na when life dey, na im hope dey.
Make I ask this question quickly.
Yes, sir.
Shey na say this, you know, the way you don talk am as a mother, as a woman, the thing soft. But you know, say woman when you don see plenty thing for my hand, if another man come block am for road, he go dey say,
You no go talk.
You no go
talk
because the one when you don't even see self, to come even dey hear new, I will buy you aeroplane, I will buy you the thing go dey touch am. Shey no be say na say the thing don tire us, that's Nigerian women reach the level wey be say
No, not
let's
like
just
that.
manage it like that.
Na as woman wan born pikin, na the labour e dey painful.
Nkubi, you have heard it.
But the time wey the head of that pikin wan come out, na you go feel the pain pass. But as the pain, that head don comot finish, you don born, everybody dey jolly. The joy e dey permanent. Say na your pikin be that. Na the thing wey I go fit comment.
My mother for us, make I bring my own talk from this angle. We don't see and say women, as women takes care. We don't hear your own view as you know the mama where you be. But then you get also some people where we say somehow we be women as well. Somehow hey they not go too agree with this same talk. Like make we take them back to the Senator Oluremi Tinubu. One statement where he make during the early this year, which he talks say look, say the whole promise what this government don't make say they want to do for women, they want to do. Say they never even they see any this thing.
Na my most distinguished senator be that. The thing where she talk, truth dey inside am. But this government never dey over. It's only 1 year and na 4 year, abi? So na work in progress. E never no write am off. If they never do am for then, you know me say now they know they do am. Now sef, if you see say the budget e don pass, the kind welfare packages wey dem get now for you go talk the welfare for the children, for the teachers, for unemployed Nigerians, everything. E go still rub off
yes.
back for us women. You understand? And the empowerment wey dey for the market women, everybody, where you go talk, say, small business. So I want to believe that, say, I could just beg us vulnerable, because all of us dey together. Nobody is an island for this thing.
We understand.
You know?
We serve in the same vein. We go talk say yes. So, say we will be men. We dey we
Na action.
We no dey waste time. We
I
talk
know,
am.
I know.
You understand? We just dey talk am. But then if with the issue of say make we get patience, going by wetin the same government talk when they wan enter power, say immediately they enter power, they go start to address matter and all that. It can't be say
but dem don address plenty matter.
which one?
If we go talk, we go start na long ogbonge kini be that. Make I tell you, make we start from that corruption wey you talk. At least all the name wey dem call, nobody don say they no take the money. But na the process, everything, and if you dey see the kind money wey we dey talk, no be small money. You know. And so people no fit believe say that kind of thing sef fit happen for Nigeria. Okay? When you can't come out for that one, you can't go for insecurity. The Boko Haram. The time when we take over this government, more than 14 local government na in dey for their hand, where they do orishirishi for inside there. But if you see as e be now, they don't catch them. Nobody say no more incidences, say anything. But the thing don't reduce, you know, to the level say we never give up. Because the president carry everything go meet them for where the so and the result where we get today, we go thank God. And the one where belle full me small. Even the cheaper girls, we they talk say 200 and something. Now we don't see 2 of them. As we don't see 2, the remaining ones,
small.
they go come home. I they pray, say they go come alive.
Now our prayer be that
alive. So you cannot say nothing don't happen. Now the one where you talk the economy we depend too much before for only that oil. And now,
but still the oil they depend on.
No. If you look now, the kind budget where we get this time, it be like no other budget before. Because for the first time, we they think of other things where we fit do. Where go fit they bring money, not be say only that oil alone. But I go beg our brother and sister for that area, say make them dey careful. Because as we say we do this budget, we put and say na 2.2 we want produce every day. The budget itself is deficit for itself.
Very true.
Now when the production come dey lower, now they say we dey at 1 point something. Then still they bomb pipeline, they bomb this, they do that. The production go lower. So it is not going to help all of us at the end of the day.
True.
It better make we dialogue. Our president make it listen. Our government make it listen. Then to make them dey reasonable.
True.
Dey reasonable be say, yes, now all of us dey this place. Make everybody stop to think of only themselves.
Yes.
Say, na me be this side. Na me they give you food. Na me they give you water. If one person they give water, one person they give food. The whole thing na make all of us belle full.
Exactly.
Make everything dey all right. So not be say one person go hold one person for throat. Say if not because of me, make everybody die. You know, when they talk say education, it dey expensive. Ignorance self dey worse. Because the thing wey go happen, all the spillage wey dey for that water, na the local community, na them dey first suffer.
Very true.
So before you go say you go, and the money where you go take
To clean up the place.
to clean up, to do the repair, I beg, you know, make we find better way to solve this problem.
I said the way where you just dey explain all this issue now, with your voice, with the way where you just dey beg, they do everything.
No, not beg.
It just be like say.
No, they remind
Because
me
me
of
self, I
my
dey
own
feel
mama, you
their
understand?
pain.
Exactly.
I dey feel their pain. But I dey just say the solution not be violent. You know, not be violent, not be to kill one another,
Not be to vandalize,
not be
not
to
be to cause
vandalize.
problem.
No, that one not be the solution.
Make I bring this question from this angle now.
Yes.
If we make we talk say we don't focus on security now.
Yes.
Our soldier people, the work where they do, don't pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people. the work wey Boko Haram dey do, the badness, e don reduce well. Dem dey even dey struggle to even still do bad thing.
Yes.
We can't get these militants for the Niger Delta when we say dem just dey do all this kind of
different pockets of
exactly. You don't beg them, say make dem take am easy. We get the issue of kidnapping.
Yes.
We get the issue of herdsmen. But people dey talk say the underlying thing for all these things na say
poverty.
e be like say as people dey suffer for this country, say money no dey, young people wey suppose dey work no get work. Na all these things dey wetin government go fit do exactly to use ensure say dem put work make people dey work. That's people instead of make person come think say na to go carry gun, na to go kidnap, na to go burst pipeline and the way forward.
Available at the moment.
But put something available.
Now he say he did there say in the next few months una go see now.
But these few months they don dey talk. These few months they don dey talk am since.
500. No, you know the palava be say you know the budget sef take time. Okay. All these things na money. True. Wey go talk. So if you say make person go do something for you, you no go do am free now. Abi. So the thing wey in dey talk now say all these things okay, thank God the house upper and lower everything don dey settled now. Way forward money go come. The structures dey for place wey dem go do now. The jobs will be created. Our hospital dem go subsidize some areas, free medical. Mama sef wey get belle, everything they go take care. Then the school children, they talk, they go get meal. Then even self, apart from say the education go dey free small for them for primary and secondary. The science students, they say even for university, the government self go help them. Pay part of that one. So by the time all these things start to dey roll out, I think better we go feel relief small. Like how they stop that subsidy now. The money where they go save for that subsidy, now they go put, take do better thing, where you go create the employment. It go attract foreigners to come for our country. And as the security dey, you no go be say dem dey fear to come for here. And then as then they put more for those our children, you know the population self where we get, the percentage of Nigerians where they youth under that youthful age now, na big number. And now so we say we want turn am to say now that is called human capital development. Say now that one self now it be money where we get for bank. Because if the science and tech they invest for them. People say from all over the world go they sort. If you look now for even make I use America, they say more than 60% of the better brain where they foreigners, where they for that country, now professional Nigerians. Yes. More than 60%. Yes, na Nigerians. So if we can still do and groom more for the country itself. It go dey better for us.
Okay, well then make I bring am from this angle. It go dey better for us. You don't talk from wetin you talk. Now just like say yes. Say we dey see light at the end of the tunnel.
No, light dey at the end of the tunnel for us.
Very promising from this government.
Yes.
But then look also bring am from this angle. Make we talk about the economy. If we get the economy, we say somehow, just like say just like people say they crawl, you never get strong organ. How it is say the economy go also fit help this whole promise take work? Because if economy they get small challenge, how it is say the economy will fit help define all these promises where the government they do this thing. Don't make sure they want to.
No, you know say like our president talk say. We no anticipate say the condition dey as e dey when we come in.
Very true.
And for me, I want to say I believe our president. You know, so he say okay, make we start today. No say not be business as usual. All that mago indiscipline. We go spend like say tomorrow no dey come. Tomorrow they come. So our attitude, say where we just dey spend, where we know they save for rainy day. Say if to say we don't save, the time where our oil dey for
We see
100 and something.
130, yeah.
We save, and some people no spend them. Yeah, the way they spend them. Carry all the money, go where they carry on, do useless thing. Our story no go be like this. But then, I know they give up on Nigeria. No? Because I dey tell people, say even God serve na Nigerian. Because the better things wey we get for this country, if we manage am well, and then make all of us, make we stop to dey think say because this one na Igbo, this one na Christian, this one na this, and all that. Make we see that project Nigeria. Say na all of us get am. We must to salvage am. If our attitude change like that, Nigeria go dey better.
You see, this thing dey inspiring and it dey motivating.
No, na the truth. We no get another place.
Very true. But then again, you see, say plenty Nigerians don't see different things. When sometimes we go look and say, wetin even dey new when we fit see.
We will never even see the. We don't.
Because somebody asked me as I grow up, like they say, since I don't dey grow up, they get sense. I fit point one or two things when we say government don't do for me. When I feel beat my chest, say yes, I benefit from this government. I can't sit back, I can't think am. Think am reach the level where we say I can't even want to try convince myself say he gets some. I can't. They remember the person. I won't find out whether somebody pay WAEC that year when I write.
They pay for me.
When I write WAEC.
If they no pay for you, now you dey on your own. They pay for me.
But after you pay person for WAEC, after you pay person write WAEC, he write WAEC, he pass am. He can't go university. Material no day. This year we hear of universities where they close because they thought say lights no dey dey, water no dey dey. Now he say you give me crayfish. You give me crayfish. Say make I take am chop fufu like 6 fufu. You know say meat na be the motivation. When person dey chop, you know say he go chop big meat at the end. He go dey motivate you say make you finish am quick.
No.
Don't give me crayfish wey small like this.
Because from your mouth, even from your mouth on the draw already going by and I know it's not draw soup you go like to chop. See, I draw. Just go straight to the point.
Who could be in a democracy they would do? We are supposed to be observing peace.
No, we are observing.
Why are you attacking me? Say this thing.
No. Okay, no vex. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh yeah, make we can look into another matter when we say they're very, very important. Make we keep the economy, make we keep security, make we keep anti-corruption aside. The government don't talk, say, okay, see what thing they do. And Nigerians, they look, say, okay, make we see the results. Make we can look one very, very important factor for every society, the issue of Nigerian women. Now, for the broadcast when Oga President do on the 29th of May, him been talk and say, the government don't set aside 1.6 billion when they go inject, give Nigerian women for empowerment. We don't set aside. Just like the other, we shall. We never see them. But we could believe say the 1.6 billion will go see them. But we can ask. If we talk about empowerment, say we won't even empower women. Share now until they begin to share money, give women, say, okay, oh yeah, this 1.6 billion is for women. And that's what we call empowerment. We remember when one female senator from Osun State carry bill enter inside House of Senate when they talk say gender equality. When some men look and finish say no, our religion does not allow, our constitution does not allow, our culture does not allow. Let's throw it out. They can't throw them out. Share with you really get any plan?
They never throw them out. Pata.
They go do adjustment.
They say make they Oga Chukwudi, where you dey?
But Nigeria, once they say make you go, come back. You don't lost with that now.
They say make them trim am. E get something where they dey inside
that. We say don dey too tey.
Wait, e no matter. The important be say that one day, that bill, e go pass.
One day we no get it.
No, very soon now. You know say sometimes if you dey compare pikin too much with pikin, you go kill one. No.
Not true. Not true.
Our tradition na our tradition. So we no go say we no get that tradition. True. So we must do the thing where e go favor all of us as that one body where we take call Nigeria.
Yes.
You no go say because for your side na okra soup na you like. Some places okra soup they know they eat.
Then they na draw soup. They forbidden for some places, yes.
So if you go do, then go say okay, make una go find the kind of okra soup where you no go draw. If not the draw, na be the problem. So our Senate president talk am say no be say they condemn that bill. say e just some things wey dey inside wey they no too
wey the men no dey comfortable with.
And some na repetition kpakpa.
Okay.
Because e get some things wey don cover am for under different laws and kini of the land before. So but make dem go amend am, make dem come represent am. And the fact say when they represent am, then they look am. If they no look am, wetin we go do? So now then they look am, then they dialogue on top of am. For me, na progress.
Okay.
Mommy, you know what we go do? Make we go end this particular segment with this talk. From all these things where you don't see now for the past 365 days, as a Nigerian woman, you believe this government say we get hope, abi we need to go back to the drawing board?
I believe am.
You believe am?
I believe am. I go pray well, make it work. And I go do my own part. Because no be only government. No be Oga Buhari go there for everybody house. Now the thing wey all of us, everybody, every good, well-meaning Nigeria.
Just we go continue. But then from the action we don't see, we don't change now. Make we at least allow you get enough energy to at least to establish your talk well. Make we go for this break. When we come back, we go fire on with the matter with the come. Yes, welcome back. The program asks Ide Hot, and on today's matter, what do you look about? We they look into democracy. That is Oga President Buhari first year, and that is for office. As woman take Sian, I will get Madam Boloba for house. She also join for the matter. They also help address the issue. But before we go for that break, we want to talk something about. You got one question which you could be asked. But now still that question, we will do it, we will pick them up from. About the 1.6 billion naira that we got President set aside for women empowerment. Okay, if you go see them now, setting aside money, now be the whole thing, because one of the features that I mentioned, say the issue of loans, so they will give out loan to people who need them, they go do this thing. She now giving out loan to giving out the money, now be the major thing, be creating an environment where we say yes, the women collectively go feel benefit from.
Now all of the above now. Yes, now the thing be say if we put the money aside, yes, our women then go fit borrow money. When they borrow that money, they take for them business. He say you go pay back fine, but it go help lubricate, you know. And then they said then go fit take care of them children better. And also they encourage the women papa to go back to school. You go school, you learn trade, you learn this. But sometimes when they learn the trade, they no get the small money to buy the machine, the equipment or something where they fit take to. That one na in that money e dey for. So say they even say they think about, because any government when no think of women, when you give man money, na only that man. When you give woman, na the nation na in the benefit, na the future.
Very, very important.
Yes.
Make we even okay, 1.6 billion, but women they talk of equal opportunity. Not be if I use equal now, some people when they go say, what do you mean equal? Okay, make I bring them down. Women they talk of opportunity. Say make pikin go school, especially girl child. Make you not look pikin say this one a boy, this one a girl. Now one man go marry this one, he go the answer in name. Stay
But
out.
all that law done the day now.
But it be like the law not too strong. You know, get leg for ground.
No, now the thing where we say who they police the police.
Thank you.
You see, the law they there, but somebody need to they check am if that thing they are enforceable.
Yes.
So, but sometimes we they weak because we they fear. Yes, now. So, but even for the areas where children know they go school, where they marry very early, everything done they change now. And I know some states, like my own state, for this our echo, if you no send pikin, na crime. You will go jail. If you no allow your pikin to go school, because you no get reason not to allow your pikin to go to school.
And even when government don't come make them very somehow don't make
them easy. You go then go give free textbook, then go do this. Not be say kini, but for me, I still give a very big pass mark. Say at least our president they think of us. You know the day enough. You know say as woman, even if we collect 10 naira soup money now, we go still go back to our husband and say na 20 we need.
I dey like the you see, e get some kind questions when I wan ask, but as you dey carry the thing dey come, when the thing dey give me hope, I dey look am say okay, make I just dey take am easy, because I know say if na man now, e get the kind way when I go don fire the question from left and right.
Chukudi, no, she's a woman, and as long as Madam Falasha dey strong, I mean, she go fit. Answer your question.
Okay,
Why you
know what, Nkubi, let me ask you that question directly.
So I can ask her.
No. You answer it somehow, because it's your people that are presently doing the whole this thing after all the promise that they promised us. So because my conscience no go allow me.
Ask your question.
Okay, now Nkubi, may I ask you this very important question now?
No, I'm not your guest, though.
Yeah, I know you are not the guest, but you are it's your people.
Okay.
See the same thing.
Okay, I hear you.
Now, we dey see 3 months, 6 months, e just be like say, the government. 1 year, e come be like say nobody to even fit ask the question. Mommy, you no go answer. I know say now Nkubi.
No, go ahead.
Now,
I dey here.
No.
Leave Oga
Ask your question.
All of us dey here.
Okay.
This I no go stand.
Some people don come and come to say this government, e be like say they no get idea, they no get clue. This 1 year now, e be like na NYSC dem take am do. Say dem just dey learn small on top of this particular job. If we check the Nigeria economy, the statistics don show say the way when we dey last year by this time, we don reverse. Our economy dey minus 0.36%. Tomato 500 naira. Nkubi dey here, dey cry. He carry pepper, take cook stew. They cry, they ask me for water. I give them water. They ask me for ice block. They chop ice block like say na garri.
Make we dey pray for this country.
Now you hungry, no dey catch.
No be dollar affect tomato.
I know say no be dollar. But
no be dollar affect na the disease wey affect tomato.
But she no be say this government carry bad luck come.
I go dey talk like a thing.
The way when rain dey fall, sun dey shine, everything.
You sure say they never do something?
I don't understand though.
No, I'm speaking for
they don't send you come.
There's nothing like we get good luck for this country.
Thank you.
Okay.
And that luck go shine very soon. Because for me, I know say this our president na answered prayer wey e dey for us. Honestly, e get as e dey be. Me sef, no be say anybody no dey feel the pain. I dey feel the pain.
Thank you.
All of us dey feel the pain.
Thank you.
But like sometimes to solve the problem wey e don take more than 16 years to create, no be one day. And no be only one person. And as our adults wey dem dey tell us, e good make we say na you. But na all of us. So e better make we take that responsibility. Say na all of us, na in all of us. Nigeria need all of us now. Where we go take solve this problem. No be one person, no. Even for inside your bedroom, inside your parlor, inside your office, inside your working place, anywhere where you dey, can you really say you be better Nigeria?
Very important question.
Can you really say Nigeria can count on you? Say God fit count. So, no be say to dey remove vlog for one person, for somebody, peg for person where you never comot log for your own eye.
Very true.
Okay.
Now all of us so e good make we see say yes we dey go do this problem, but we must hold person hand. All of us say as we go confront this menace wey dey face our
make I ask this question. This question dey very, very important, because wetin happen for Benue State for their Democracy Day celebration, wetin don dey happen for the state and other parts of this country, e be like say you talk now, like I been talk earlier, say I fear say make e no be like say na IT this government dey do or NYSC. The governor, him wife, and all the people wey dey government, all of them lie down for ground. The picture they begin dey cry. They do 2 weeks before that Democracy Day. They do weeks prayer and fasting. The governor talk say the kind problem when he don't see for inside this seat, he never see that kind of thing before. Say he dey wait to make Angel Gabriel come down from heaven to come lead them. One single project,
no.
He never do.
The kind problem wey go make brother sister dey face one another, they kill themselves because of food. People say na 15 naira, people say na water wey dem dey drink. say they drink from the same place, now you get this side, that one get that side. Now because communication don dabaru.
But the government suppose do wetin dem suppose do.
That is why they give
no be to dey lie down dey cry now. They say hey God 2 weeks fasting and prayer.
I as Nkubua be honourable
you as your people speak for your people.
If I say I wan take responsibility.
Thank you.
I will not say yes. E get things wey I go need to solve.
Government no be class captain now.
Because for me to say I wan take up the responsibility, I don dey ready to say I wan work.
And you get the idea.
So you don take up the responsibility. So there's no point coming out to say.
So they cry.
They cry.
Say make people dey fast for you.
So in the same vein, na the same responsibility we want make we dey see for our governor.
Exactly.
Our government.
That's what I've been saying. That's what I've been saying since.
I mean, we know there are problems, but then government go need to guide, go also need to put out things wey go ensure say at least the people themselves.
I say, as we never take accept, say now all of us get that problem. That one self na problem. Until you accept, say you get palava, you no go look for solution for am.
But there are measures wey you go fit put on ground to ensure
everything na government and for me, government do government. You sef wetin you dey do for that government.
But government wey promise.
As government wey promise.
To raise the hope of people.
We dey hate. But as people, they no dey for the room where people dey take carry machete go kill themselves because dem dey aggravated. You understand? We need to reorientate ourselves. Say e get some, we go draw mark now. Say some things we no go pass. No matter the amount of aggravation, e no go reach make we carry gun, carry machete, carry fire. Say we want to dey kill ourselves. We need to draw that line.
True.
So if all of us together say, okay, you no hear my language, I no hear your language. But that one no be say, because I no hear, I go come hold you for neck, say you must to die.
Very true.
I go say, okay, if you no hear my language, maybe if I no hear RBD, make I go learn. When he reach RBD, small time he go reach to statement.
Yes.
And we go peacefully, we go live in harmony with one another. That one, now make we dey preach for each other now. This wayo peacefully, now be the message. Because if we no encourage them, even from now they even tell our women, you must do your job. Parenting self na ministry. You must reorientate your pikin for house. Me, when I dey small, mama go say, make you no fight for road. If your brother knock you for this, tell her, just make you no fight, no disgrace me. No make them come call me, say, now my daughter, they fight there, they don't tear her cloth, they don't do this. If you disgrace this house, I go deal with you. Because of that, e get time when some girls, they come try, say they won't fight me. They hit me, I no hit back. Now I say thank you. I reach house, I cry. Even so my mama called me on the small. But she said thank you. Because you listen. If to say I did there, they fight, maybe they don't hurt me. Person don't end up for hospital. All these things, violence, no, they solve them.
Yeah, but anyway, well, you don't talk violence, they stop them. But then, in as much as we get pockets of violence everywhere, there is still, I go still stand on this. What did the government they ensure to put down, or rather, we don't put down to provide security?
No, because, but our guys don't give all the military instruction. Like when you talk about the one now for the headsmen, say anybody where they find, where they hurt another person, where carry arm, make una deal with the people. He do that, he say do investigation, he say all the communities, they set up committees, make them dialogue. All that is ongoing. But when people go talk, they go talk, listen like this, maybe they just they look, make everything they dabaru. I know say they enough, but now constant work. So make them allow. This is 1 year. We are still going to 4 years, 8 years, 10 years.
By the grace of God.
I know say it go end for praise for us.
Very true.
As country.
We get one of our regular callers. Oga Chuks from Ikorodu, good morning. Chuks, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
That's good. Good morning.
Would they greet your Gachuks?
Mommy, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Now, just one small question. I want to give mommy then before I talk some small things.
Okay.
Mommy, I believe say there's no how now you go get children.
Yes.
You know, when your kids they grow up, you know the one at least when they're this small, you know the ones who they say that you go ginger where, you know, you go Allah, you go be creative from birth. You understand? So I won't really see if you go feel marry that thing to the presidency we will say now, or to the governance we will say now, because from small now you didn't know Peking where ginger. I will want you to answer me that question. But you get small thing when I want to put. Now, for just as I said, for the security, as I said yesterday, I give our Oga Buhari like 20 because after they see say they clear Boko Haram, other ones they come out. That is one. Then two, on the anti-corruption, mommy, I have to be very frank with you. We are not getting it right. We dey feel that we dey fight corruption, but the corruption actually they fight us back, and we know they fight and when it's supposed to be. You see, if I be Oga President, because they talk say for you to comot the dirty way that your neighbor are, you go comot your own. If Oga President start from, I don't talk say Oga President they corrupt. In family which is APC, there are a lot of people there will be say you and I know say their hand not clean. If we start from all these people, then come begin to go where they go. As they go, not be say bad. Money, I will tell you, 75% of Nigeria will resign for our president. Now today, I look inside newspaper. They say they don't find a troop go for Niger Delta. Go begin. What did they want to do? They want to begin to fight them. Is that the dialogue which is supposed to begin call them say, you are my children. South, north, east, and west. You are my children. What is the problem? Because are you telling me now if they go they fight them, tomorrow another one will come out. Now they will begin to fight each other.
Very true. Oga Chuks, we don't know if this is your important point. Two wrongs, no, they make any right. Like mommy don't talk. It could be very, very good make government and the people sit down together, discuss this issue. Because if we use force, now destruction, it go lead to in the end. Quickly, we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back. The question when Oga Chuks drop, say, from little beginning, now you go know waiting greatness go be. She go answer the question. Don't go anywhere. Now still ask either complete time you with the house. Hot. Welcome back to Asire Hot. Ezuku Chukudi Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Obade inside studio. And we discuss the first 365 days of President Muhammadu Buhari as woman takes him. We got Oga Igo on top of the telephone line. Oga Igo, they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Igo, thank you for your patience. Good morning and welcome to Asire Hot.
Oga Igo, good morning.
Good morning.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Good morning. Remember, I greet you.
Good morning, sir.
365 days of Buhari. In terms of security, I score Buhari high, 75. Infrastructure, -100.
-100 for infrastructure.
Yes. Then, in terms of corruption, 0.
Why you talk say 0?
0 in terms that only the court of law now go fit convict say you steal money about. Okay, now this money already they recover now. Which court of law just say these people they agree to they steal the money? No one for 1 year. She said they carry they come back. They burn, they will go up at that for the journey. No case, no bond dollar.
They agree.
Say these people they steal the money and they agree to see the evidence. So if the court of law never convict anybody to steal money and see for corruption fighting 0. So only security that was Haram. I give us 75, very high.
Oga Igo.
I'm ready.
What about our economy? What do you give her for economy?
Our economy is at 0 because you know there is a federal government market like all those tea companies, all those companies they produce, textile companies, all those federal government companies don't die for so long. We don't work again because of problem. I mean, the federal government don't revive to the economy. Say you go employ, maybe they measure them. No one. Maybe I will start those now. Then in terms of the problem of Nigeria, now our leaders, the APC and the PDP, the problem of Nigeria. If we start with the book part, if we see President Goodluck and Buhari, say they go see the Aso Rock, they work out together, they talk, they hit, they talk together. When they see and say, people see that together, they party together. Say every day when they see them, what they visit Aso Rock, they say every day. I'm telling you, who will be the masses will not go to get man to talk. The problem of Nigeria is say, when they condemn this government, they condemn this other government, so this government will move forward. Then we see ourselves as one. So that we will move forward. Thank you very much.
Oga Igo, thank you very much for that important contribution. Oga Igo, he start well, he end well. He already talk and say, e go dey very, very important make as a people, we dey united. Make you no talk, say this one a PDP, I no like am, this one a APC, just like what you don't talk. Oga Bobby go be our final caller all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning, sir.
I won't start with something of the topic. I don't think what did happen for Nigeria, we will put off a Buhari head. We will put that for governor. Each of the state governor will hold the responsible. Each of the states, people, I know say every state, make their citizens hold the state they're responsible for. The development they not see. Unemployment too, security too. You get my point. You know, so the thing is say they give all state they give the state allocation. They give them money to infrastructure and all that. None of them, those were the whole salaries of civil servants. Now Buhari cost not the Buhari, that is state governor. So you can't blame everything on the president. Look to the states. I see which the Ambody, I see for internet when say buy cars give police for security. So you want me now say, look at security na priority for the state. Now president then you go blame for that one. Because he look at the state get to be secure. He buy cars, give this police there.
Very
so
true.
The police now they get cars to take secure the state. They go back
And helicopter.
so that's a very good something.
Very, very
the
true.
state you go hold.
Oga Bobby, we don't note your
Thank you
important
very
point.
much.
We really appreciate them. You don't already talk and say the focus every time on the federal government, you go put more pressure on top of them because we get other
States and
states
local
when we say they're
governments as
supposed to do what they're supposed to do. We go leave them like that. We will just allow you, just help us wrap the thing up. The way when you take start, you identify, say, if we talk the three major key areas, economy, anti-corruption, security for inside Obodo Nigeria, not be say the government no they make effort, then they make effort, but you admit say the thing they wrong. I go like make you just drop message of hope, message of peace, and message of love. Make Nigerians they look forward to the next 365 days, next 5 years, next 10 years, next 20 years, as years when we see all of us go work together to move this our country forward. Over
Next
to you.
100 years, Papa.
Next 100 years, over
We
to
don't
you.
do centenary. We did the same page. God go bless you, Oga Chukwu.
Amen,
The
amen.
way you talk, say, make all of us, make we believe on this we country where we get. Make we do our own part. As we don't get better president now, we say, make we know they do bad thing. Say na integrity, na in they build. It dey difficult, but say na slow and steady, na in they win that rate. It better make you do the groundwork. Make we do the foundation, make it dey bang, so that anything where we build for top of am, e go dey. He said this one where we dey do. Okay, like that person wey talk say, every state governor
Should,
make them take care of their state. You know, before we come now, a lot of states 6, 7, 8 months salary they no pay before this government take over. Now the federal government give them, oh yeah, you take this one. But the government for each of those states sef, they try to generate money, try to they do better thing for their state. That one take me back for my own state though. I won't tell my own governor thank you for the one for Lagos State.
Very true.
Because now the way if all the states for Nigeria they try to, not be saying
Do their
dey
own
easy.
contribution.
Na innovation.
Honorable Princess Folashade
So
Olabanjo.
make all of us they do our work for wherever we are. Make we no quick to tear down and condemn wetin we get
Very true.
when we never get
We appreciate the fact say you don't share this particular message just like you start and you don't end them. And we dey always dey talk about our city, say Nigeria and our country, e no go spoil. We feel looks our contribution dey very, very small. But that small one, if everybody contribute them, join them together, the thing go big. Our governors, they must do their work. Local government chairmen must do their work. Councillors must do their work to support the federal government. Everything not just be for Aso Rock. We get the state government, and at the small contribution when everybody go give at the center, now it go move our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. We go shake your hand because you try when we say you carry waka come.
Thank you,
we
sir.
appreciate the fact.
Thank you very
Thank you, sir.
Till tomorrow, na bye-bye.
You don't even tie yourself. Till tomorrow, na bye bye. After all the preach when she don't come, she don't tell more calm down, more support government. You now I'm suspecting you. I'm suspecting you. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.